Hello. I hope everybody's doing great. Awesome. I hope you guys are keeping healthy, washing your hands, washing your face, not going out when you don't need to. It's pretty crazy out there. For today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a bird feeder. That way you guys can have those little birdies come into your yard and eat, because they need to eat too. Yeah, I'm gonna, very simple, very easy, and it's pretty fun. I mean, usually when you go to the store, they have them like little bird houses or like little bowls that you can put the seeds in and stuff. So, but I mean, with this one, you don't have to buy a lot, I mean, it's just the bird seeds. You pretty much have everything at home. So I hope you guys have fun with it as much as I had making mine. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. I'll see you guys at the supplies. Okay, so for the supplies, what you're gonna need is a spoon. It could be a plastic spoon or wooden spoon, and preferably a mixing one like this. So one of these, a ruler, a Sharpie marker, a knife. I'm using one of these, what's it called? Sliding knives, because it like cuts really great. And you're gonna need to cut a plastic bottle, so you're gonna need a plastic bottle with a cap. Don't forget the cap. The cap's important. Some paint if you want to decorate, or anything else you want to use to decorate it, like stickers and stuff like that. You're more than welcome to. Some twisty tie or floral wire if you have any, but if you don't have any of that, you're more than welcome to use string or yarn. It'll work the same. And then last but not least, your bird seed to fill in your bird feeder. Okay, so that's about everything you need. Let me check. No, I think that's it. Okay, I'll see you guys at the first step. Okay, so before you start, make sure your bottle is rinsed out and at least 90% or at least over 50% dried out, because you don't want your bird seed getting all soggy on the inside. And then make sure to test out your Sharpie to make sure it's not dry, okay? Okay, so for the first step, what you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna get your ruler, your Sharpie, and your bottle, okay? So with your Sharpie marker, you're gonna draw a small circle on one side of the bottle. So I'm gonna choose this side where the sticky part of it is, where I took the label off, okay? And make sure it's about 4 inches from the bottom. So I'm gonna get my ruler, I'm gonna measure out 4 inches. So, about right here. Just gonna mark that quick. Okay. So then, small circle. That's small, right? Yeah, okay. And then you're gonna get your knife, and make sure your parent does this, okay? I don't want you kids doing this by yourself, because I've learned that lesson the hard way, and it's not pretty. Okay, that's better. Okay, so as soon as you have your hole, you're gonna get your spoon, and you're gonna want to fit the handle part of it into the hole to make sure it fits nice and snug, okay? There you go. See, it holds it nice. So you should be okay. Let me get you a close up. It should be like that. See it? Yeah. Okay, so after you finish cutting out the little hole that you cut out, you're gonna want to flip the bottle over, and on the opposite side, you're gonna want to cut a much bigger hole. That way you have something to feed the big part of the spoon through, okay? There you go. So yeah, you cut your hole, throw the trash away. And just make sure the big part of the spoon can fit into the hole that you just cut. Okay, perfect. Okay. Cool. And yeah, after that, you're pretty much done with step number 2. That is, okay. Have to move on. Okay, now for this third step, you're gonna need your bird seed. Oh, FYI, if you want to use another spoon, repeat what we did with the first one, so the little hole and the big one, but on the opposite side. So instead of here, the little one, you're gonna cut one right here, and then the big one on the opposite side of it. So, but a little bit higher or lower, depending where you want it. Because this is originally for 2 spoons, but I modified it for 1, okay? So yeah, you're more than welcome to use 1 or 2 spoons if you want, but I'm just using 1. Okay, so for the bird seeds, you're gonna unscrew your cap, get your bottle, get your bird seed. Open it up. Camera. Don't eat these, okay? And then stick the spoon in there. And then start pouring the seed in. Put the camera down. Okay, that's the whole bag. Trash back in the box. Where'd it go? Okay. Sprinkle some out onto the spoon. And then as soon as you're done with that, put your cap back on, making sure it's nice and tight. And then you're gonna want to take out your wire or yarn, okay? Maybe about such, and then you're ready to hang. So yeah, just kind of lift it up by the wire and make sure it's secure, okay, when you hold it. You don't want it falling down on you. And you're done. Yeah, feel free to hang it anywhere outside. And if you guys happen to have any pictures or get any pictures of birds on your bird feeder, go take them, post them down in the comments, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye. Now let's go hang it up. Okay, going outside. Let's go. Gotta find a good place for it. Let's see. Let's put it up here. You know what? The branches from the tree weren't letting me, so I chose a better spot. Look at that. Time to eat, birdies. Peace out, guys. See you in the next one.